this tutorial, I'll show you just a couple neat features that developers are starting to play around with. So the first is accessible on a note. You'll be able to notice something neat. Now I'm just going to make this note a little bit bigger. And what has been added to the note interface is this adjacent words tool. Now what's going on here is that it's picking up some of the keywords that are happening in the conversations and the contributions that are going on in this view. So it's all about how do leaves change color. So we have some key terms here: chlorophyll, pigment, color. And so you're getting an overview of some of the important vocabulary that's being used. Now when you start typing, you'll notice I use the keyword trees here. So then the adjacent words also changed to pick up some vocabulary that's more relevant to this new concept or this new key term of trees. Now what you can also do is just click to insert some of these key terms into your note, just an element of interaction that they're working on. And so that is the adjacent words tool. So there's still a lot of development to go, but it's something neat that you might want to play around with. Another tool is vocabulary based as well. It's a word cloud tool. So if you want to get a quick overview of the most frequent terms that are being used in the conversation going on in a particular view, go down here to this little beaker here. You'll see it's assessment and analytical tools. Right now there's only the beta version of the word cloud, but you can just scroll over and click that. And what will open up in a separate window is just a colorful word cloud that displays the most frequent terms going on in this particular view. So it's useful. You can get a good sense of whether key terms are being used often, whether there's any misconceptions arising. You can have conversations with your students about these kinds of visuals. So what are the important terms we're learning? What are some other important terms that might be new, that would represent new ideas? So it's just a kind of fun overview of important vocabulary characteristics going on in the discourse. So those are the two new fun tools, and we'll be updating this tutorial as new tools are being integrated and upgraded.